It was raining as Prime Minister Narendra Modi's flight touched down in Colombo late on Friday evening. But the downpour was no dampener to the rousing reception he got. Modi is the first foreign leader to visit Sri Lanka after the Dissanayake government was sworn in last year. In attendance were the Sri Lankan Foreign Minister and 4 other ministers. The traditional Namaste was in place. The next morning, Prime Minister Modi was received by the Sri Lankan President at the Independence Square. The first such honour given to any foreign leader. Modi inspected a guard of honour. Later, he held talks with President Dissanayake at the Presidential Secretariat. After which, both leaders witnessed the signing of 7 MOUs spanning various sectors such as defence and energy. Dissanayake, who visited Delhi last year, his first trip abroad as president, was effusive in his praise for India that stood by Sri Lanka during its worst economic crisis. He did not mention China but once again reassured India that Sri Lankan soil won't be allowed to be used for anti-India activities.
I reaffirmed Sri Lanka's stance that it will not permit its territory to be used in any manner inimical to the security of India as well as towards regional stability.
Modi was presented the Mitra Vibhushana medal, an honour reserved for foreign heads of states and government.
यह सम्मान केवल मेरा सम्मान नहीं, बल्कि यह 140 करोड़ भारतीयों का सम्मान है। यह भारत और श्रीलंका के लोगों के बीच ऐतिहासिक संबंधों और गहरी मित्रता का सम्मान है।
Modi and Dissanayake did talk about a long-standing issue, that of the arrest of fishermen for straying into each other's waters.
फ्रेंड्स, हमने मछुआरों की आजीविका से जुड़े मुद्दों पर भी चर्चा की। हम सहमत हैं कि हमें इस मामले में एक मानवीय अप्रोच के साथ आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। हमने मछुआरों को तुरंत रिहा किया जाने और उनकी बोट्स को वापस भेजने पर भी बल दिया।
The issue of devolving power to the Tamil-dominated northern province did come up in the discussions, and Modi said he hoped the Sri Lankan government would fulfill the aspirations of Lankan Tamils.
जब अपनी हिफाजत की हो बात, तो एक जरूरी बात रखना याद कि अपनी हिफाजत के लिए अपनी ही होनी चाहिए आंख और होने चाहिए अपने ही हाथ। हिफाजत का हमारा ख्याल अमन का है, मां जैसे बड़े मन का है। हो आसमां, जमीन या हो समंदर, हर तरह की हिफाजत मिलती है इसके दामन के अंदर। हिफाजत की हिफाजत में अदानी डिफेंस एंड एरोस्पेस।